OmniGrip Direct has completed Geelong City Council's first Progress Pride Flag, using durable, skid and slip-resistant Australian recycled glass.
Isn't it appropriate that this morning is a day of rain? And I say that because in nature you actually can't have a rainbow without rain.
And it makes me very proud that the council and the community has embraced this amazing flag here in Geelong. For me personally, it represents safety and inclusion in our amazing city.
If my children are part of the LGBTQIA+ community, they will feel safe, accepted, welcome, like they can grow up and be themselves.
As a founder of the Pride Marches in Perth and Melbourne, this Progress Pride Flag in Geelong is significant for me. It's a case of coming full circle because I'm now the General Manager of Environment and Sustainability at the Polar Enviro Group, which includes OmniGrip Direct. So for this flag to be made by our team using our recycled Australian glass is not only exciting, but deeply rewarding.
This is recycled glass, so you'll be using just under a tonne of recycled glass across the whole project, which is effectively a diversion from landfill.
So other than outlasting any other surface treatment on the market, the recycled glass obviously creates a lot of sustainability within local government.